Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Triumph Bonneville T-100. We're going to take a walk around this bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is super clean. It shows no damage of ever being tipped over or laid down. As you can see, this has a backrest on it. Saddlebags. One-piece seat, which is in excellent condition. No rips, no tears. It does have a little mark on the end of the handlebar here, like it rubbed against something. Two-piece clear windshield. You can see the front fender. You get a little scuff right here. But other than that, the tire looks in excellent condition, fairly new. For some reason this clutch lever's got, or front brake lever's got quite a bend in it. Here again, you can see this side of the bike, super clean, along with the saddlebag and the backrest. The back tire on this bike is fairly new. This bike's got 10,937 miles on it. This Triumph will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from Simply Street Bikes, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.